everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will show you how to use the TD163 wireless calling system. First we need to power it on. It's in the back. Plug it in. Okay, now you can see when you power it on and the pages will turn on by itself. And that's the way how to turn on the pages. If you want to turn off all the pages by one key, now let me show you how to turn off. First go to the standby mode and press 999 and press call. Now you can see all the pages turn off. If you want to turn it back, remove it and plug it in. Okay, put it back. It turn on. Now let me show you how to change the keypad ID. For the keypad ID, if you want to use more than one keypad and want to all the keypad code the pages, you need to change the keypad ID to the same. So press the call and back at the same time. You will go to F1. F1 means the keypad ID. And press call. You can see 0. Now you can change the ID that you want. For example, 18. And then you just press the call to confirm. But once you change another keypad ID, you have to repair all the pages. So please make sure that before you confirm. I won't confirm this time, and I will press back. Okay, that's how to change the keypad ID. Now I will show you how to change the pager ID. You can see this F1. You can go to 2 directly. Just press the number 2, and after that, press the call to confirm. Okay, for example, I want to change this to 40. I have to press first and remove the pager in 5 seconds. Okay, that means it successfully. And if I change this to 45 and I remove it and press the call after 5 seconds, you can see it doesn't work. So you need to put it back and remove and press the call in 5 seconds. Okay, this one works. And this is how to change the ID. I will show you more operation in other video. You can check there later. If you have questions, you can feel free to email us at support@retekess.com. You can also visit our website www.retekess.com for more products. Thank you.